Yeah. You're the awkward silence on question time, the ink under a redacted line, the scandal on the horizon. I scroll past too fast, but you still stare back from the glass. Your Grenfell cladding in our throats, a corporation's debt, no spreadsheet quotes. Your hunger that can't be numbed or fed. You're the headlines they forget after read. I tried to ignore you, mute you, cancel you, but you stayed by my side. You are the strength, the one that cuts through the noise, the one I always came back to because you never blinked. You make us believe, you show us the light.
Word by word.
You are true.